All right, so this is like my 7th one of these. And this one is a little bit better. You see how you can tell it's at least an 1/8 of an inch cut. The very first one of these I had was perfectly cut, but it wasn't in a plastic bag like this. Now I just cut this bag apart. I'll show you the expiration date. And you can see, okay, where am I? It says October 18th, 2022. So I just like to save these. They never last until October. I'm going to probably eat this like in 3 or 4 days, especially with all the moving that we're doing. Anyway, so this is a really good tasting vegan faux meat. It's called the best plant-based corned beef ever. And for this particular one, I 100% agree, it is delicious. It is not inexpensive. It's about $11 a package, and you can make about 3 sandwiches with this. Okay, we'll be back in a little bit to show you how I put it together.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
All right, so the sandwich is gonna have follow your heart vegenaise, basically like mayonnaise, but this is made with vegan oil, avocado oil. And I like to have cheddar cheese. Well, of course, we're vegan, so we can't eat cheddar cheese. This is deliciously dairy-free Daiya. They make the very best cheddar style slices. And then they look like this. And then this is just classic French mustard. And I like using it. It doesn't say it's vegan, but I like it. As a side, we're going to have zucchini, which I'll cut in slices, and these are radishes I'll have on the side. All right, so right now what we're doing is we're toasting our bread, and it looks like it just popped up. Fresh sourdough bread. So then what I do, okay, so let's not melt the cheese right away. Put both of the breads back to back. Open this up. Get a butter knife. Scoop out the vegan mayonnaise. Remember, this is fat no matter what. It doesn't make a difference whether it comes from eggs or it comes from oil. It's still fat. Then I put in my cheese on top, and then I peel off the corned beef, kind of like this. And I like putting 2 slices on mine. Kind of tricky to get off. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is put both this in the microwave to melt the cheese, and then we'll be right back. It goes in the microwave for 15 seconds until you start seeing the cheese being limp, like this right here. Then you put your other bread on top. I like to squish mine together. Then you can put your other pieces on the edges. I just eat this whole. And that's basically lunch. Now let me show you what it tastes like. So we don't have YouTube smell-o-vision yet, so you have no idea how this sandwich is going to taste. Now the reason I use the French as a dip, I dip my sandwich in the mustard. But I'm just going to show you. I just take this entire bread here. Oh, that was good, wasn't it? Managed to lose. TJ, don't eat that. That's my dog who's going after my radish. He's looking at it like a ball. Okay, so it's just plain delicious. I love these sandwiches, especially towards as we're packing our house. Don't have as much time as I used to be able to cook my dinners. This works for me. I'll have all the ingredient panel in the beginning of this video, and it's got about 7 lines of ingredients. But it says here it makes good sandwiches, good wraps, it scrambles, stir fries, baked goods, and ashes. But it makes the best sandwiches ever, especially if you're vegan. Today we're going to be doing another sandwich. This is going to be the plant-based Deli slices unreal corned beef, which is delicious, well worth the money. And I'm going to put with it some smoked provolone slices. These are all 100% vegan plant-based meals. Now they're not starch solution, and that's what it's going to be. And I'm going to be using Vegenaise. I like to use Follow Your Heart Vegenaise. There's a lot of different brands nowadays, but this one works for me. All right, so we'll see in a little bit. So the first step I do is I put a huge amount of Follow Your Heart mayonnaise on top of my 2 delicious breads. Next, I'll be putting on the corned beef. Oh no, first it's going to be the smoked provolone slices, and it's going to go on because I cook these in the microwave for 15 seconds. All right, so the next thing you do after this, you just simply close it up. Your sandwich is all ready with provolone and corned beef. Of course, all this is plant-based. There's no meat. I hope you enjoy your lunch, and we'll see you soon in our next video. Bye-bye now.
If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
Where did it get to? It fell over my t-shirt.